Jha reporting to you the hottest and the most leading news globally in the cyberspace. Cybersecurity News Global is sponsored by Indian Cybersecurity Solutions and the Indian Institute of Cybersecurity. In today's broadcast, FTC 2022 data shows that scams are rising and rising fast. According to the latest data from the FTC, consumers have reported losing almost $8.8 billion to fraud in 2022, representing a loss of over 30% from the previous year. The Consumer Sentinel Network data book, which compiles reports from various sources, provides insights into these trends. The 2022 figures reveals consuming patterns regarding the tactics employed by the consumers. Moving on to second news, US Cybersecurity Agency raises alarm over Royal Ransomware's deadly capabilities. The US Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency CISA has released a new advisory about Royal Ransomwares, which emerged in the threat landscape last year. Ransom demands made by Royal vary from $1 million to $11 million, which attacks targeting a variety of critical sectors including communication, education, healthcare and manufacturing. Moving on to third news, China's linked hackers targeting unpatched Sonic Wall SMA devices with malware. A suspecting China-linked hacking campaign has been observed targeting unpatched Sonic Wall secure malware access SMA 100 appliances to drop malware and establish long-term persistence. The malware has functionality to steal users' credentials, provide shell access and persist through firmware upgrades. Our last news for today is hackers exploiting remote desktop software flaws to deploy PlugX malware. Security vulnerabilities in remote desktop programs such as sun logging are being exploited by threat actors to deploy the PlugX malware. PlugX operators use a high variety of trusted binaries which are vulnerable to DLL sideloading, including numerous antivirus executables. That's it for today's news. Do not forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button and press the bell icon as we are bringing forward a lot of latest news in the cyberspace. Until then, thank you.